welcome back to another Truck Sim video. Get me cloth under. What a faff. So today is going to be a good day. We're going to Kent to pick up a load, which means we get to go through the Dartford Tunnel. We're off down to Kent because we've got to pick up a prison box. Oh my good God. Way up. Sounds good through here. Apart from that blooming trailer. Oh. Oh. What did we come this way for? Oh, I know. Because I like built up areas for the exhaust. Prison box. What is it? So you know the vans that take prisoners, move prisoners around with a big white box on the back? It's basically the box part of that. Isn't very elegant, is it? Oh, they look like they've resurfaced this bit. Traffic. Hello, mate. So we are just approaching Harlow. Oh, where you go? Oh, go on then. So we're just approaching Harlow, and yeah, there's a Vosa testing station at Harlow, so we'll just try and sneak under the radar there. I have a funny feeling they might be on the lookout for me. We've had a letter.
From...
GVSA. Oh, Crouchy! Nice! That could have been Nipper's brother. Vosa station approaching. It's just up there in them trees. It looks like we've got by this way. We've got to come back. And we've got to go across Dartford Bridge. And, more importantly, the Dartford Tunnel. I cannot wait to go through that tunnel with the side pipe open. What's he doing? And there's one here. Look. Watch this. Look. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I'm not going to look beside me. And I'm just going to pull out like this. Look at that. R730. We're on the M25 for the first time in a long time on the channel, and first time actually in this truck. Another R series. He's got his window down, boys. I love coming out and meeting all you guys on the road. I'm not a fan of the Dartford crossing or any type of really tall bridge. Makes me feel a bit funny. You alright, mate? Say hello to YouTube. Do you like that? He's got stacks. Oh. Well, that took my mind off the old crossing a little bit there. Thank you. There's a tunnel down there. I cannot wait to come back through there. But also, the Vosas sitting there as well. EVSA! Don't let me forget, I need to pay for that crossing. I will forget. Maybe you could put in the comments, Tim, pay for crossing. Even though it'd be too late and I'll be fined anyway. Oh, hello mate. Brickman. Let's get some exhaust on. Yeah! Reminds me of Nipper's lorry, that noise. So we don't want to go down there, Dover M20. We will be going that way next week. We're going to Cine! So excited for Cine. Look what we've got here. Manual performance, little teaser of what's to come. I believe we want to go right here. This is looking sketchy. My poor cab. Width restriction. Oh my God, can we get through here? Oh my good God. What is going on? We're good. Oh no. Thank you. Where am I going? Oh. Yep, nice. Oh. Jeebus. Oh, there's a big post just there. Oh, there's got to be a better way out than this. Big, big branches. Ah. Well, that was a bit interesting. He's just gone up to the top to get the prison box. It was tight getting in here. Good job I looked at the map, because you have to come in from a certain way. I'd come from down there, like swing in like that, and it was very, very, very tight. I'd come from that way, well, there's no way I would have got in. You can open that gate when we're done, and I'll back straight up there and then drive out that way. We've got these to sit it on. I'm going to remove these ramps, then you can sit it right up against this, and that'll stop it sliding forward, just in case. Let's get these tyres off, move those ramps, get her loaded. Bits with the king. Not this again. Ooh. Sorry. Sorry to disturb you. I'm not going anywhere. Famous last words. Okie dokie. Can't wait to have a look inside. I wonder who's been in here before. I wonder if there's been any high profile serial killers in here.
Gonna come back to you?
Yeah, I'll swing it to you. That'll do me, drive. Okay, she's all strapped on. I've got back out of here now. Right, got my prison box on. Looking forward to having a look in there when we get back. But apparently he's not got a key, so we've got to find a way in.
You got it, slide in.
Way up. That's in here. We good down your side, Merv? I can't see you. Oh, what was that? That was my splitter. Oh. That was tight. Some people don't like side pipes. Did you hear all that profit just go out the job? Leaving through the side. Bit more there. And again. But I don't care, because I'm having a good time doing it. Let's get on this M25 then. You know what's coming. The Dartford Tunnel! We are having to queue for the noise tube. It's gonna sound epic. Oh. Hey, look. Look at that. He's got stacks. PVSA over there. Luckily, there's a wall of trucks. Let's get her in manual performance. Here we go. Not even in the tunnel yet. £6 for the privilege. That's a bargain. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Ah! Hey! Oh yes. Woo! Ah! Yes! You don't know how that makes me feel inside. For that. Just wow. I think they would have heard that in the tunnel next to us. Oh, that's the best £6 I've ever spent. Well. 4.5 grand for the old side exit. I think this would look quite good with a tanker on. Will look good in the side of it anyway, look. I haven't got my ADR though. We could do water. We're just coming off the M25 now, around onto the M11. There's a lot of trucks go over here. Did anyone see the video of the one that went over just here? Come around like this. Obviously got around there, all right. But come into here, we went whoosh. Now this is the sort of trailer I want in front. A nice Faymanville. Seen a second-hand one for about 45 grand. That's the next step. This is a bit of me, this is. She's a 770. Hey. Horns are rubbish! Need better horns. I want a 770. China in your head. On. I've been listening to some power ballads on the way home. Yeah!
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come.
My baby, ain't nothing better than a side pipe in the tunnel. Lovely job. It does things to me inside. Now you listen to it just through here. That stupid trailer! That man doesn't look happy with me. Some people don't like side pipes, I've established. I do, on the other hand. I love side pipes. Please hit the subscribe button, really helps. Like this video as well. Leave a comment, I'll reply to all my members. If you want to be a member of the Trucker Tim team, just click the join button down below. And once every month, we do a giveaway for all the members, so it's worth having a look into. This is very narrow, this little bit of road here. He's put his mirror in, good man. Thank you. Portrait and landscape, you don't know the difference?
No, I don't know.
Please. Oh my god, 2 lots. A new one there for open fields. 500. Lombardo! Obviously we can deliver this box and then take the trailer back to Lombardo's. And we go. And this is where we're unloading. Peace. Tell you what, she don't half look mean sitting there. Look how low she sits. Let me just tuck myself in. You don't want to see my 6-pack. No, that's not going to work, is it?
I can push you through, Tim.
No, thank you. Come in. Oh, it's not a very big section you get, is it?
No, it's tiny, isn't it?
Yeah, look at all the names etched on this one. Dave, Barry, Jotty.
I know Jotty.
Oh, you never see many people want to get into a prison box, do you? Look, there's a camera here.
Lights, extractor, climate control.
Who's been in here? I wonder if there's been any high-profile people in here, like serial killers and stuff like that. Do you know what you're going to do with it yet?
I'm going to strip it out. My girl's going to keep lizards in it.
Going to be a lizard house?
Yeah. Oh, you've got 6 years left.
D?
Yeah, it says on the window.
Custodial vehicle command and control panel. Cigarette lighter. Ooh. Cigarette lighter. In custodial vehicle entertainment. Tea, coffee, tea, coffee. Ah. You didn't get my bald spot, did you? Get her off. That is awesome in there. It's gonna be a lizard house. It's gonna take it off here, put it on there, and he'll take it around the back. Want me to push it round?
Yes, please do.
He's now taking it around the back. Thank you very much. I won't drink these on the way home.
And try and have a wash with a sponge, Tim,
Yeah,
yeah?
I know. Were you trying to say something?
Thank you,
Get
brother.
through there. No worries.
Cheers, Tim.
Right, let's take this trailer back to Sean's. My put-off fifth wheel. It's the Experiences truck. There's a video coming on that very soon. Big plans. Take my number plate. Walker Movements, Law Exports. Will she start, do you think? Yeah. So I've just had a little look around the back of Kyle's truck. He's made some really good progress, but I'm going to save that for the video when we compare both of the trucks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that. And yeah, well, that's still there. There's a lot going on in the background that you guys don't see. It's coming. Just getting things sorted. A long while since I've looked in here as well. Stay tuned. One day we'll be cruising in this fully customised. There's been a lot of progress on Kyle's truck, so stay tuned for that. But for now we'll drop this trailer here, take the unit back to the yard and go and see Darren. Because we just need a few little touch-ups for Cinny. It's Cinny in a couple of weeks.
It's not, it's less than a week.
I think might need a couple of late nights again, mate.
Okay. That was already broken, weren't it?
You love it here, don't you, Darren?
Yes.
Have you had a good holiday?
It's beautiful.
First day back, Trucker Tim's here. Cinny, ready?
Look at that.
Fixed. First job.
Does
We
that
can
mean-
tick that off the board.
Am I redundant now? Yes.
We need a little bit of blue on there.
Which we know about that.
Cinny. I've been on a trailer today, look.
Oh, it doesn't matter. We can clean that.
It does matter. Well,
Rear wings need painting black. Wing
oh,
tops.
I've got them, they're in there.
Is that a scratch? It's grease.
What else I got there?
Stripped off, and it's because it's warm. It's because it's warm, Tim. Is it just them back bits you want
Just
doing?
them bits, really.
Yeah, okay, we can do that then.
They just need
We can do that.
just a bit of filler, mate.
Yeah, we can
And
do
a bit of
that.
that grey. Let's sort that. That's it. So not a lot to do. The lorry is here now until Tuesday. And then I'm going to have some air horns fitted.
Got air horns?
No, proper. It's horn blasters. 500 quid a set.
They want to blast something.
They're loud. And an aircon pod.
I did see that.
Yeah, slim one. Not that one. Not Sean's.
Not Sean's
Not
one.
that thing.
You end up getting legionnaires.
You have to put butter in it or something. So flora.
Some Saflora in the tank once a week.
All right, okay. You got a cover? You haven't got a cover yet.
Yeah, that's not good. Right, let me speak to Cuda. More money, Darren. Every time I come in, more money. Can we get some airbrushing in? Where's Adam back?
Cut.
I'll see you on Friday for a bit of cine prep.
Yes. Tang time.
I've had a parcel from 19 for your next trip to Bonnie, Scotland. Thanks for choosing 19. Oh, yes. We'll get that on the door in a second. Oh, cool. That for my keys. Like this sort of thing. Check that out. Thank you. 19 hoodie. Got the dice there. Truckwear company. A 19 cap. Thank you very much, 19, for sending me these products. I'll put a link in the description to their store.